MTD Network have dropped to see Tim Allen from MJ Allen Group. Now Tim, people who don't know, what do you do?
Hi, well we are a foundry and machine shop, although we actually describe ourselves as a machine shop that makes its own castings. So we make larger iron and aluminium and bronze castings, and we do the machining on site, so we can go roughly 3 meters by 2 by 1.8.
So some big components there. Now, you're always investing in new machines. We've been out to see some previously. These are the latest two acquisitions, the Dugards. In terms of the working envelope of the two machines then, talk me through them.
Yeah, we've got two machines. One is 2.2 meters in the X by 1 meter in the Y by 900 in the Z, and there's a slightly smaller one which is 1.8 by 8 by 700, both 40 tools, and they're nice, rigid, solid workhorses.
Again, just to clarify, because you're machining iron, well, your castings, you need that real powerhouses.
We do, yeah. We're removing stock, we're removing iron, so we want rigidity, we don't want vibration. It's not all about speeds and feeds necessarily for us, it's about having a good, clean, robust cut.
Okay. And also, in terms of the envelope, relatively small footprint as well though. Is that key to why you bought them?
Yeah, it was. For the capacity of the machine, they're very neat and tidy, so they've got a small footprint, and that was important for us because we're a little bit limited for the space that we had available for these two machines, and they fitted in beautifully.
Okay. So fantastic machines. The foundry itself is really impressive. So if you're looking for new customers, what sort of industries are you working in?
We've got a lovely spread, so we're not particularly tied up to any one industry in particular. We do a bit of automotive, which you'll have seen with our all-wheel drive gearbox. We do a lot of subcontracting work for ministry type work, for any kind of OEM really that needs a big lump of metal in the bigger part of their machinery. So gearboxes for pelletizing machines, we do some medical equipment. It really is a lovely broad spectrum of work.
Yeah, and I'm quoting Tim earlier, how big was that engine?
It was big.
Tim, great, thanks for showing us around the machine shop. Great investments, and the foundry itself, absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, thanks for coming down.